now the last thing they want you to do is actually put sconces up over this fireplace.
They do, and the easiest thing for us to do would be to actually tap off of this existing switched plug that was here and go left and right and put our sconces in.
So this was a plug for like a picture light or something?
Definitely was a picture light here before we first showed up.
So run a wire from here, go left, go right, and you're done.
Correct. But the problem is then we would have to have this plate covering the live wires. It's not what they want. They actually want them switched separately. All these lights come on with one switch, including this plug.
So they don't want to look at a plate in the middle, and they don't want to have all the lights come on at once. They'd rather...
So what we have to do to abandon this location is we have to actually kill these wires, okay? And the way we identify where they go is we take this actual transmitter, a tone generator, that will send a pulse across the conductors to help us identify where they are. The way we do that is we take these two leads, we attach them onto these conductors.
So you're sending sort of a signal through those wires.
It's a pulse, correct. So we can physically get an idea where it's going, see?
Wow.
So I know it's kind of going in this direction.
It's like you can see it through the ceiling. That's pretty cool.
It is. So this tells me that these wires actually go up into this junction box, this old recessed light. So what I would do is I would disconnect these wires.
So they literally just tapped into this light and connected that box to them.
Yeah, my guess is that picture light was probably an afterthought, and the easiest way to run the wire was just to come off the recessed light, because it really doesn't make a lot of sense to have the picture light come on with the recessed light.
So you've identified the wires, you've disconnected them, and now it's okay to leave them in the ceiling in the box? In the
Now
wall?
that they're de-energized, we're all safe.
All right.
The next thing, Kevin, we have to do is, the designers told me exactly where they want these two wall sconces, okay?
Yep.
So this is the location. The problem is, I bang my hand here, and it feels, I can tell the difference. So I know I have some framing here, structure. So what we're gonna do is we'll take the screwdriver here and confirm that. As you can see, I've confirmed it. Some framing behind there.
So does that mean we can't put a box there?
No, we can. We just have to use this pancake box.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, just put it right on top of the stud.
Yep. All right, now that I have it marked, we can actually cut out the hole for the pancake box. So Kevin, what I'm going to do here next is I'm going to plop this piece of plaster out. See, I've confirmed now. See the framing?
Yep, right in your way.
Yep, so what we'll do now is we'll actually snake wire from here up to here, and we're going to actually have the notch here to get from the wall cavity to the ceiling cavity.
Back to the roto tool.
All right, Kevin, now that we have our notch done, we actually, you can see our wood framing here. I need to create a channel to lay the Romex in, okay?
Can't lay it on top of that?
No, because the reason why is I need to physically protect it with this nail plate. Think about it. Tommy could come in here and put crown molding. I don't have this in place. They shoot a nail into my wire. Next thing you know, we get a problem.
How do you make that channel?
What I do is I use a spade bit. Pass me the drill.
Okay.
All right, now that I have my channel, the next thing we do is we can actually run the wire from the switch box over to the sconce.
Nothing yet. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
All right.
All right, why don't you feed that through down to the next hole.
Nothing yet. Oh, yep, you're close a little bit. Nice, all right.
Perfect, now we're ready to tie the wire on. Why don't you jump on the other end and you can pull the snake.
There it is.
All right, pull enough so we get to the switch. Keep going.
Nice, all right. So we've got one old box safely disconnected, two new boxes on their own switch, just the way the homeowners wanted.
That's it.
All right, Al, nice job. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.